be doing the battery replacement on an Acer C733. So first thing you want to do is flip the unit over and take out the bottom cover screws. Now you can take the bottom cover off. If you have a piece of tape like this over the battery cable, you can just take that off. If you have this piece of tape, it has no use, so you can just throw it away. Now you want to unplug the battery. And then you can take it out. So now you can take your new battery and put it into place. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. And then pop the bottom cover back on. And now you can put the screws back into the bottom cover. To verify the repair, you can plug in your AC to the Chromebook, open the unit up, and hold in the power button. And if the Chromebook turns on, then that means the repair was successful. So you can shut the unit back down.